What is up, guys? Welcome back to SPL Society. So today we're in the shop working on the Blazer again, and I'm starting to realize I'm not going to be able to finish everything that I want to finish before Freddy's show, which is this weekend. So right now I pretty much got it playing. All I have to do is figure out kind of mids and highs. I have a 4-channel that's supposed to show up before the show. My second 7.5 is blown and it's fixable, but I don't know if I'll have time to fix it before the show. I wanted to do door panels, but I definitely don't have time to do door panels by the weekend. I do want to build a sound bar for some full range speakers to go across the dash, and I think I have some time for that. Maybe just do something simple for now and come back and do all the pretty stuff. That's mostly what I'm starting to realize is, like, I have an idea of what I want to do and I want to make it look really good. A lot of this stuff I've honestly never done before. It's not really like groundbreaking stuff. It's just really nice looking, really pretty, never before seen as far as I've done. So I think right now I'm just gonna work on finishing all the wires that go from the battery to the fuse blocks, and then I'm gonna work on fixing the door latches. So the door latches are actually starting to rip out of the body, so I have to make some reinforcement plates that will weld in there. JR is going to help me weld that up. So yeah, I'm just going to get started and time lapse what I'm working on and check in with you guys in a little bit. So this is the driver's side latch. As you can see, it's already been welded once. So what we're gonna do, probably try to weld up some of those cracks, and then this plate is gonna go in place on top. We can weld that plate, and then the door latch will get bolted on top of that. That's the plan. I know the passenger side is gonna be a little bit more difficult, and this is why. On the passenger side, the entire piece broke out, so we're gonna have to weld that back in place where it's supposed to be, so that way the door can still close, and then add the reinforcement on top of it. So hopefully we can get that latch put back in the same spot. If not, we'll have to figure out what to do, but yeah, let's get it. Dang, there you go. So we got the plate welded in. Once again, JR laying some dimes. Got a little bit of rainbow in there. I might not even spray paint this. Let's go check out the driver's side. Here's the driver's side. Nice, strong. Ended up breaking that bolt, but nothing I can do about it, and seems to be holding fine. So that's gonna be it for today. Gotta thank JR a lot for helping me today. Once again, if you guys go check out his Instagram, check out his YouTube, go check out his website, justracingfab.com.
Right, guys, so big shout out to my boy Key. He's working on Piggy Benis, I think is the name, right? So right now they just finished with JR5 putting the doors together, because it was a little bit, you know, like crooked, but they got it done. So stay tuned, guys, for the next couple of videos, because this thing is gonna be lit, gonna be loud. So stay tuned on that. Probably you're gonna be seeing my truck there too, because Key is the one who's building it. So we need to do a couple little touches on it and gonna be banging too. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a lot of content on that channel, so stay tuned on my boy Key. He's getting there, you know. He's a little bit shy steel, but he's getting there. Sir, estamos mejor. Yes, sir. Ahí estamos.
There you go.